Bonjour, I am Jacques Torres and welcome to Tuesday Tips. Simplicity. Usually the simpler, the easier, and often the better. I want to do what we call pot de crème au chocolat. Chocolate, kind of chocolate pudding, but the chocolate pudding doesn't contain any flour, any starch. It just contains 300 grams of coconut milk, 100 grams of cream, heavy cream, 35% fat, and then 160 grams of chocolate. That's it. We don't add any sugar, we don't do anything else to this recipe. That's all it is. 3 simple ingredients. We're going to mix all that, the chocolate is going to melt. We're going to stop when it starts boiling. I love coconuts. It's funny, but I live in New York, but anywhere that I go, that I see coconut tree, I feel home. I love warm weather. I love coconuts. Okay, so I'm going to mix that very well. And when it starts boiling, I'm going to put that in those containers. And voila, ready. I'm going to put them in the fridge, and I will show you when they set. So I'm going to put that into a glass bowl to be able to pour them into those other bowls. I want to be sure it's good. It's delicious, it has a lot of chocolate flavor. Okay, so let's put that in there. Any container will work. This is a container that I have at home, so that's perfect. Okay, one will be a little bit less full, but it looks like it's fine. Okay, I'm going to put that in the fridge, and I'm going to show you when they come out of the fridge and when they are set. Okay, so the pot de crème came out of the refrigerator. You can leave them overnight. I leave them maybe an hour and a half, but you can leave them overnight, and you can even do like the crème brûlée, put a little bit of brown sugar and brûler them with a torch, or just serve them like that. You can add a little bit of whipped cream, or just plain. It's a nice chocolate cream with the coconut flavor. It's really good. Bon appétit.